What's up, y'all? I'm Sha-Deana Z. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss any new videos that I have coming. I know I look a little rough, but that is because, as you read by today's title, I will be doing a high puff tutorial on my natural hair. With that being said, let's hop right into this video. You'll need a few items. First, you're going to need a spray bottle, some leave-in conditioner, some moisturizer, edge control brush, white tooth comb, and styling jam. I started with my hair in two sections, so I'm just going to take those down. Now I'm starting off by spraying my hair with water on both sides. Then I continue to wet my entire head with water. Next, I go in with my wide tooth comb and pick out my hair just so it looks big and full. Then I take a small amount of leave-in conditioner and I apply it to the perimeter of my hair. This is the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, Rice Milk, and Macadamia Oil leave-in conditioning cream. Next, I split my hair into two sections and I add the leave-in conditioner to both sides. Then I go in with my moisturizer and I apply it in the same manner. This is the Curl Mix Pure Avocado Moisturizer with organic jojoba oil and the lavender fragrance. Don't forget to apply the moisturizer to your ends. I continue to divide my hair into multiple sections so I can distribute the product evenly. Next, I get a good amount of styling jam and add it to the perimeter of my hair. This is just some shining jam I picked up at my local beauty supply store. I continue to smooth the product down with my hands as I go. Then I go in with an edge control brush just to better smooth down the product. To secure my puffs, I used to use a string from an old gym bag, but I no longer have it, so I suggest finding a good sturdy string that doesn't cause any damage or breakage to your hair. So I start off by putting the rope right at my hairline. I tuck it behind my ears. Then I take the two pieces and I tie it in the back. Then I tighten it and slide it up my hair. I do this until I have the desired puff shape that I want. I also push the string up in the front. Keep in mind, the more you do this, the more you'll have a rounder shaped puff on your head. Therefore, you don't want to tighten it too much because it will start to look like a bun instead of a puff. So this is where I want my puff to sit, so I take the two pieces and I cross it in the front. I tighten it to the front of my head and I push it back. I take the two pieces and I wrap it around my head. Then I tie it and smooth it up the back of my hair. Make sure there is no hair caught in the rope. Then I take the extra pieces and I tuck them underneath the rope. This way they can't be seen because it's hidden underneath my hair. Now I'm just pulling my hair to make it a little bigger. Now I'm taking the spray bottle again and spraying my puff down with water. Next, I take my wide tooth comb and pick out the puff to make it really big and full. I continue to use my wide tooth comb to pick out my hair. But now I'm using my hands to help shape my puff into the perfect shape that I wanted. I continue to use my hands to shape my hair. Now for my edges, I'm going to go in with the Ebin 24-hour edge tamer. Now I'm going to apply this to the front of my hair. Now I'm going to take my edge control brush. Using the comb, I'm going to comb back my hairs. Then I'm going to part my baby hairs. Yes, I said part my baby hairs. This helps me get the perfect baby hairs. This is a great hack for me because I'm not good at doing my baby hairs. I did notice that parting my baby hairs actually gives it a cleaner, neater look. Then I take my comb and smooth back the rest of my hairs. After combing my baby hairs, pay close attention to the difference it makes compared to the other side of my hair. Sorry, I'm not good at this part, but at least you get the idea. Now I'm going in and parting my sideburns. And I'm going to add some edge control and smooth it down to my liking. I'm going to do the same thing on my left side. I part my edges again on the other side. Apply a small amount of edge control if needed. Now I'm using the comb just to smooth back any unwanted hairs. Notice I don't comb straight back, I comb in a curve. Now I'm combing my baby hairs down, and I think I did this side a little better than the other side. Now I'm parting my sideburns, and I'm applying some edge control, and I'll comb it down and smooth it into the desired shape. Now I'm using my Nappy Locks by NAPPYLOCZBY edge scarf. I really love this edge scarf because it's not too thick and it gets the job done. So after doing my edges, I tie this on and let it sit for a while. This helps keep my edges in place longer. Link is in the description. After letting it sit, you should be left with this, a high puff. Also, if you like my lashes or my nose ring, both of them are from my website and the link is in the description. So shop with me. I do sometimes grab my wide tooth comb and continue to pick it out just so it's a little bit bigger. It's really the lashes for me. Also guys, don't forget to oil your scalp. I'm using the Nappy Locks by NAPPYLOCZBY growth oil. I only applied a few drops because I did this prior. This helps my hair grow so much. Use my code Sha-Deana for 10% off. Link in the description. So that is all for this video. As always, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Also, make sure you follow me on all of my social medias. They are linked down in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.